In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles on a video using the closed captions feature in Clipchamp. Adding subtitles can significantly enhance the accessibility and reach of your content, ensuring that your message is conveyed correctly to every viewer. First, open your web browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll want to look for the sign in button if you already have an account. If not, you'll need to sign up. For this tutorial, let's assume that you've already signed up, so go ahead and click sign in. You'll then be presented with a few sign in options. To simplify the process, you may continue with your Microsoft account. Click continue with Microsoft and you'll be prompted to select your account. After you've selected your Microsoft account, you'll be directed to the Clipchamp homepage, ready to start your video editing journey. Now click on create a new video. This will take you into the editing workspace where you can start working on your project. On this screen, find the Import Media button. Click it and select the video you want to add subtitles to. You can either locate it on your computer or simply drag and drop the file into the import area. Once your video is successfully uploaded, you'll see it appear in your media library. Next, click on your video to begin editing. Drag it onto the timeline so you can access specific audio settings. To begin with, you'll need to detach the audio from the video, so go to the Audio tab and then click on Detach Audio. This ensures that your audio track is separate, making the transcription process seamless. Then look for the captions option within the interface. Click on it to activate the subtitle feature. You'll see the option to generate captions using AI. Click on it and you'll be prompted to select the language of your video. Make sure to choose the correct language for accurate transcription. Once you've selected the appropriate language, proceed by clicking on Transcribe Media. This step might take a moment as the AI listens and generates subtitles for your video. After this process is complete, you'll find that your video now has captions. The beauty of this feature is its flexibility. Not only does it automate the captioning process, but it also allows you to tailor the captions to better match the spoken content. To refine these captions, click on them to begin editing directly. This means you can customize font size, style, and color to better suit your video's aesthetic. Take your time to ensure everything aligns perfectly with the audio, ensuring clarity and precision for your audience.